Okay, all right. This one is a pattern. Now, when last time, many years back, when this one came out from the PSLE question, many students are stumbled upon this. Okay, they really go and add 1 to 99 or 1 to whatever 89. Really, and that time is like, to press the calculator until the end is like taking up so much of the time, which is not worth, and they shouldn't be testing you a lot because this one is testing on strategy. Strategy means what? You must strategize law. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, I want to do this. I want to stop at 88. Why? Because I like 88. Because 88 tuition Then you say, 88 tuition 是不是? Wow, so biased like that, like 88 so much. No lah, actually that this happen to have 88 lah. Never mind, okay? So then I stop at 88. I don't want to add 89. So I focus on this thing. Okay, then this one looks easy. Okay, let me tell you this trick. Okay, can I pair this 88 with 1? Aha, I pair this here. And I look, I'm going to pair this. Okay, I'm going to pair this. Okay, sometimes I got to bend a bit here. So this one is already one pair. Now I want to do another pair here. There, 87 plus 2 again. I pair them up. Ooh. Then I have another one. I put it in another color. Probably.
This one is like rainbow method.
I don't say rainbow, that one can, but then I also want to label it another one. We call them like pairing up. They got partners one, very matching. Okay, why matching? Because all the same. Let's take a look at the purple match. Okay, purple match says 88 plus 1. Give 89. Haha, so nice, right? Then I have 87 plus 2. Haha, 89, perfect match. I have 86 plus 3. Wow, all 89 leh. Huh? You think this one coincidentally like buying 40 strike 40? No, right? Like buy lottery, right? Lottery, push it's not like that. So what happened here is when I pair them up, I know that all will turn out to be 89. So now I make it simple. I ask myself a question. From 1 to 88, how many pairs can you form? How many pairs can you form? That's the question, Casey, do you think? How many can you form? 3 only. Ayo, from 1 to 88 leh. Then 1, 2, 3, then 4 没有了. 5没有了. Oh, all gone. Then how? Cannot be There must be.
Wait, no, 5.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Is it 5?
Wait, no, not 5. Ding, 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 ding some more. Okay, 44. Thank you, Daphne. Okay, Daphne, one thing about, if you put it in the chat, yeah, I just saw your message. Correct. Thank you for changing to Daphne. You know why? Because if you type in here and I'm busy writing, then I didn't happen to see. So pardon me if I don't see you typing there. Okay. From 1 to 88, how many pairs can you form? So you say 44 pairs. Very good. Form 44 pair. Then you know how I get 44 or not? That Casey? Actually, this one not I give your answer. It's definitely help me one. So you know how definitely get 44 or not? Yeah, 这样咯. You see, there are 88 So 88 and 1 So there are 2 numbers that pair up already, right? So I use 88 to divide by 2. There will be 44 pair lor, like couple like that. They go dating lor. You see, 1 and 88 go dating. 2 and 87 also go dating. So many dating, right? So then after that, what happened here? 44 pairs, right? And what must you do to the pair? Each pair is 89 ma. Correct lah. Right lah. So how to find? How to find 84 times 89? Use calculator lor. So simple. Okay. Jokes aside lah, ha. Let's take a calculator and tit. Wow, got answer so fast. Okay, then can you put the answer inside already just like that? Don't have lah. You think so easy, huh? No, right? So
I already got the
44.
answer.
Oh, you go so fast. How much?
3916.
Okay, lor. You say 3916, then I put okay, lor, follow you. Then can I put the answer as 3916 or not?
No.
Why cannot?
The answer is 0.
Why answer 0? Why got 0 inside? Why got 0 inside? Okay. How? Daphne, help leh. Ayo, where got 0? Okay, Daphne, can suggest what to do? Casey, I give you one hint. You look at 88 tuition there.
Where?
I stop at 88 leh. The red line. Then at all the pair up already, right? Then how? I stop at 88 leh.
3916 plus 89.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah, 3916 plus 89.
4005.
You say 40. I follow you. I don't check.
And then the answer is 0.
Yeah lah, that's why the answer is what? The answer is 0. Okay, I go and highlight for you all to see. Highlight. Okay, highlight. Where he want the word tens. So where's the 10? 0 lor. Okay, so far okay or not?
I'm still copying the notes.
Never mind, don't worry. Wait for you a while. Pen. If you got no time to copy, it's okay one, because I'll put this PowerPoint inside the portal, then you can pull it down, ma.
Done.
Wow, so fast one. Okay lah. All right lah. 0 is in the tens column. Yeah, okay. All right, I want to see emoji here. Definitely you know how to put emoji or not?
Oh,
The reaction. How you feel about this question after learning? Wow, then I like, like that lah.
I'm going to put emoji.
Definitely can put emoji lah. Hey, cute where you find this
Penguin.
Penguin, so cute. Yeah, okay.
I become a penguin when I learn how to do it.
Thank you. Done, okay. Definitely you can put your emojis, the emoji on the you can see how you put the 3 dot, that one, the emoji
You
put here.
press the reactions. If you're using iPad, then you press more.
More, correct. The more.
You got it.
Okay. All right. Definitely if you want to put your, good job. 谢谢. Okay, now come to next. Let's take a look at this question.
I know the answer.
No answer, then don't do lor.
The answer is 462.
Yeah. You got it right, huh?
Yeah.
Got it right, then we save time, we don't need to do. Okay, so definitely if you need me to do, then you quickly stop me. Stop me means put up your hand. Stop. I need help, then I will explain it. Okay, do you need help?
Shy.
Yeah, shy, maybe lah, never mind lah. Shy is good, ma. For the start. Yeah, okay, good. So right, number 3. Let's take a look at number 3. Number 3 is what? The box of this is this. You get this, you get try. Okay, you need do lah.
我不用。
不用so clever leh.
Answer is 9/13.
Okay. Then we do a quick one. Okay, then you help.
Okay,
help.
I draw the model on the screen.
You can draw the model on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay. A box of this I share. This one get 3. Okay, I highlight lah. Don't say I never help lor. I got help one. Need get 3 times. Oh, as many as J. Then J get 3 times as many. As Jeremy, all the JJJ. What fraction of the suite does N have? Oh, he's asking for N. Nick is N. Wow, your model so cute one. So fast. How you do? Okay. Yeah. 13U. How you get 13U? I must think first. Wait. JA Nick is 3
Eh?
out. Clever leh. Like that also can, oh. Wait, let me see, Okay, well, how you start, You start with Jeremy,
No,
Okay,
I start with Nick.
Okay, start with, then you cut Nick,
It's like this. So because
Oh,
Nick is
mm,
3 times,
mm,
then
mm,
Jafar
mm.
is 1, and then Jeremy is a little bit only. Then you cut into 3. Because it's
Ah,
thrice.
I know. This one we learned before. What we call it, you remember or not?
From
Okay,
my BS.
later I tell you the story then. Okay,
Fraction
now
model.
okay, later I'll tell you. Then you will say, oh yeah. I don't know whether you remember or not. Okay, can you help me to erase? I draw it for you since you draw already. So I follow what you say, You say you draw a long model, and this long model you cut it into 3 parts,
No. Each of them has their own model.
Each of them do okay. Then how you want to draw Nick? Nick has 3 times as much as Jafaf, right? So can I do this is 1, Jafar, whatever, lor. So can I say this is like that? Then you say you draw Nick first, so I follow you,
Yeah, that's
right?
Nick.
Nick, So Nick is 3 times as much as
Jafar.
Jafaf. Oh, you.
I haven't drawn the model.
Later when I save, this one cannot save one, Okay. Aiyo. This one is called Hui Rong, disfigured, Okay, you help me to erase that thingy. Then I will help you the black line,
I erased already.
Then why got black thing,
Oh my god.
Where's the who draw the black model,
Me.
Wait. Wait. How come 跑不见掉?
Why you erase the model?
Okay. Okay. Then now I'm going to draw for this one called what,
Jeremy.
Okay, you help me to erase, Okay. So then I need to draw Jeremy, right? Jeremy is cut into 3 parts also, right? So I cut for 3.
No, you need to draw Jeremy first.
Because this one got 3 times, so I draw Jeremy, no? I need the 1 unit to
1
bring
unit.
down.
And then you cut Jeremy into.
Cut
Jeremy
Jeremy,
will be 1 part. No, Jeremy will be 1 part.
Why you cut Jeremy? It's so cruel. Aiyo.
Jeremy is not 1 unit. He's 1 part.
Scary, why you go and cut him?
He's not 1 unit. He's not 1 unit.
Then how many unit? 1/3 of Jeff.
He's a small.
Tiny, so tiny.
Yeah.
So what's wrong with my
very
diagram?
thin like this. Like
Okay, you
this.
go in there. Because my N is very big, I magnify N for you,
Can you erase the Jeremy?
Okay, then how small you want? Okay, then I erase. You tell me how small you want.
Okay.
I mind you, J has thrice, so small. Then if this is so small, then Jeffel, how? Oh, okay, you leave it, I ask you a question. Okay, then Jeffef has how many times of Jeremy? Now you answer this question first.
Wait, let me count.
Then you realize what happened already, Okay.
8.
9,
Oh yeah, 9, sorry.
Okay, so definitely be patient, I'll tell why this is not able to do this. So you take a look at this statement. Take a look at this statement. Take a look at your statement. What's wrong now?
I don't know.
Because he said Jeff had thrice as many sweets as Jeremy, Correct. You understand what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you help me with your annotation first? Then I continue from there. Yeah, you always will powder. Okay, let me clear this. I need to turn this off.